And the family of the 3 siblings that died in an accident between a vehicle and a truck on the N2 in Mandeni, KwaZulu-Natal confirms that none of the drivers had driver's license. Preliminary reports from the Department of Transport indicate that the accident was a result of negligent driving and alleges that the driver was 18 years old. He lost control of the vehicle when a tire burst and collided with a truck. 8 people, including 4 learners, died on the scene and the truck drivers were rushed to hospital. Our reporter, Mlondi Khatebe, spoke to the family and filed this report.
We are at the family of Ngwane that lost 3 family members yesterday in an accident. We'll just try and speak to them in relation to how are they taking this incident, because yesterday it appeared that the car belongs to this family as well, that basically left 8 people inside that car dead. We'll speak to the family member who is the sister to the 3 brothers that passed away yesterday. Sicela siphe amagama akho sisi Nesibongo.
Igama lami nguLindile ngwaNcwane.
Lindile, mhlambe umndeni isigameko sayizolo sokulimala kwabafowenu usithathe kanjani?
Sibenzima kakhulu, sasibona nokuthi sibe nesihluko, saba nolaka, saba nakho konke. Asazi ukuthi isimo esingasichaza sisithini, kodwa khona kwenzekile futhi mele sikwamkele, kodwa asazi sokwamkela kanjani.
Mhlambe kukhona einkundleni zokuxhumana amavidiyo nezithombe ezivelayo la kuvela khona abafowenu besemotweni behamba bethwele utshwala. Mhlambe ngasusichaza ngaleso sigameko ngoba siyamaniswa nongozi eyenzeka izona.
Usuku la khona obhuti bami bephethe khona utshwala emotweni. Usuku la khona babe celebrate khona i-birthday kabhuti wami uvela ngenkosi Ncwane eyayingomhla ka-14 September. So manje mase sekuvela inkundleni zokuxhumana sekuvela sengathi bekade kusukele lapho kuze kufike sekuthenini bavelelwa ingozi, kodwa kahle lolu suku olunye nalolu futhi lokwenzeka kwengozi bekoholunye. Abantu siyacela ukuthi bazame ukuthi bengayixhumanisi into engafani engasiyona beyenze beyiyona.
Mhlambe ngabe abafowenu bebenazi incwadi zokushayela ngesikhathi beshayela imoto, nokuthi mhlambe ama-ages abo abathini?
Ubhuti wami lo omncane ubena 18, ubena 17. Lo omunye okadela mina ubena 17, ubena 8, ubena 19. Bese lo omunye ke omdala kunami oqala kama bekade na 24 years. Incwadi zokushayela mesingakhuluma iqiniso bebekade bengakabi nazo, kodwa bebesalungisa indaba zeimali zokuthi bekwazi ukuthi indaba zeimali zababo zokuthi bekwazi ukulungisa ama license nayo yonke into.
Mhlambe uma ngase sikhuluma ngendaba yeminye imindeni ngoba kulimaleni wanganina nodwa, nokuthi imuphi umlayezo mhlambe ninawo kulena eminye imindeni, kanye nokuthi imuphi umlayezo ninawo kwabanye abantu abasha mhlambe ngokuthi bathathe imoto zabazali?
Engakusho nje emndenini yabalahlekelwe kanye nathi ukuthi nje dudu silahlekelwe sonke ngesizathu sobungani nokududana nokuthi ingane zingabalaleli abantu abadala. Ilokho engingakusho, nokuthi ngiyacela basakhona basasele emakhaya abantu abasha bangangathi engathi bengafunda ukwazi ukuthi imoto ayiyona into umdlalo kodwa iyafana nethuna. So ngiyacela ukuthi bayigade bayinakekele, bazi ukuthi imoto awukwazi ukuthi uvele ungayithatha nanoma inini.
Sibonga sisisa.
Yabonga kakhulu nami.
That was the sister of the 3 siblings that passed away in the crash yesterday. She's briefing us in relation to the incident, that as the family they are still sad and shocked about this incident because they don't understand how did the accident happen. But in that nutshell, they also warning the members of the public to stop using the videos that are circulating on social media showing the siblings with alcohol, packed alcohol in the basically in the car as if they were going to the party yesterday. But she's telling us that the party was in September when one of the siblings had a birthday, but yesterday when this incident happened, they were sober. They did not have it because they were coming back from a study. Basically, it seems as if they had a study camp that they had in one of the local schools here, and at that time they were coming back and trying to deliver others so that they can get ready for a school.
We're now joined by the KZN Transport MEC, Siboniso Duma, to give us an update on this. MEC, good evening. Thank you so much for your time. 7 of the 33 passengers in question are critically injured. Do you have an update about their status at the moment?
Let me greet your good self and your viewers at home. Indeed, it can be confirmed that 4 have perished, and we want to pass our condolences to the family. But I'm sure we just have to strengthen our voice. This is not a culpable matter. It's a murder, and which the driver who was driving without PRGP and the bus didn't have the roadworthy, so it was unroadworthy. So it means something must happen to the owner of Holy Cross, because it's something that we can't tolerate at this point in time. It means that they were being driven as passengers by a walking coffin, life and literal. So it's not even recklessness or negligence, something ought to happen on their process.
Yeah, MEC, just to ask you to repeat that, did you say that 4 of the passengers that were critically ill have now passed away?
No. I'm still confirming that those who are still in hospital, nothing has changed. I was confirming that 4 died earlier on. That's what you were referring. No. So nothing has changed so far.
From the passengers that have been injured in this, have you been able to ascertain what their status is as far as their health, those outside of the 4 that have passed away?
They're still in different hospitals, and the doctors have not allowed us. They're just going to update us, because as you know, that is part of the prelim. They must just still check them. You must find that there is an internal bleeding. So we're not yet allowed just to converse with them at a critical time, because it remains a sensitive matter. We're then going to update you probably tomorrow. So for now, we're still talking to medical practitioners just to follow the process.
MEC, do you have a traffic report about what had caused the bus to overturn?
Amongst other things, the tires were so terrible, were worn, even the braking system. That's part of preliminary. As I've already highlighted, that we have confirmed that even the COR, it's something that is shameful that the bus had a COR, because how do you approve a bus with terrible, the tires were in bad condition, and I've already highlighted that the driver didn't have the PRGP, which is amongst other key matter. You can't operate if you are going to carry passengers without that. So I think we are there at that particular time, and if Eastern Cape must do something, I'm sure they'll do the same. I've already spoken to the Premier, because the COR shows that it was given a platform from Makana, and we were aware as well. And at the right time, we're just going to initiate a briefing that those in our centers who keep on issuing this COR illegally, so must also face the consequence, because look what has happened right now.
Yeah. MEC, have you been able to determine whether this is a commercial bus, and if so, who it belongs to?
Belong to Holy Cross, as I've already highlighted.
Yeah. Yeah. Have you gotten in touch with the owner?
Not yet. I think at this point in time, this is what I'm saying, that on our side, I've just said that let us open a proper criminal case as opposed to be following other procedures, which is why the driver must not face the culpable. We just have to open a murder case in this regard. Same thing applies to the owner. I'm sure that's the same exercise that we must do. We are not going to negotiate or talk with the owner, because we understand, and I don't think at this point in time we would have allowed his family or himself to be in that vehicle or in that bus. I'm sure you have seen the pictures, a glaring element. It's something that could not happen. It's so pathetic that it must not be on our road. So it's something that is why we must act. And we've spoken about a zero tolerance in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. And we are painful that almost 2 days ago, it was almost the same incident that took place in Mandeni.
Yeah. Just the last question, MEC. October also is Transport Awareness Month. The N2 has become a coffin as you had put it there earlier, with various road carnages. What is the province, in 30 seconds, if you can tell me, going to be doing in Road Traffic Awareness Month?
Amongst other things is the visibility of RTI. So probably before you reach 100 kilometers, you must have seen the traffic officer on the road as a matter of awareness, because in terms of scientific research shows that every hour you'll be conscientized if you've seen that the visibility, more and more numbers. You just said the recruitee who came from the college, they're already on board. The joint operations, SABC, SANDF and other forces are also traffic officers in our municipality. They are also working closely with us, gazing towards the direction of the festive season.
Yeah, the MEC, thank you so much for your time. Really do appreciate it. That is the KZN Transport MEC, Siboniso Duma, giving us an update there, telling us that 4 of the 33 passengers in question here have earlier today perished, while several remain critical and in difficult conditions.